In Advaita Vedanta, this quest, this journey, it's not a journey in time or space or from one object to another. What do I mean by that? There can be one kind of spiritual journey which says, yes, there is an ultimate reality, God, Brahman, Atman, but it's not here. It's in heaven. It's in Vaikuntha. It's in the Buddha land. This is the world. This is samsara. So when you go from here to there, a journey in space, it could be spiritual space. It sounds like a journey in space. This is not spiritual, that is spiritual. You have to go from here to there. It's a journey in space. Vedanta is not like that. It could be a journey in time. That not now, but after death. I saw this big poster, billboard. After death, you will meet God. Little ominous. We were driving past, you could see, after death, you will meet God. And below that was written, call 1-800-so-and-so. So that before death, you can get a little glimpse of God. And that may be true, and I'm sure it is true. But Advaita Vedanta is not that. It's not a journey in time, not after death, not after the coming of the Messiah, not after the coming of the millennium, not after Kali Yoga, Satya Yoga will start after Kali Yoga, not even after Samadhi, not even after some kind of ecstatic experience, no after. It is not even some reality apart from yourself. That there is some other thing called Atman, Brahman, God. That thing is spiritual. That's what you must go. From yourself to there, to that thing. It's not a journey from one thing to another. It's not a journey from one place to another. It's not a journey across time from from now to then. What Advaita Vedanta is talking about is everywhere, all the time, and everything. And being everywhere and all the time and everything, it must be here and now and you yourself. That's the beauty of Advaita Vedanta. It's talking about you. It's talking about now. It's talking about here. The problem of talking about now, here, and that everything is Brahman is you can say, show me. You can't say, show me to that big billboard that because it says after death, they are safe. Show me God. No, you have to wait. Wait in time. Or God is in heaven and all's right with the world. A poet, I think Robert Browning, who was saying, God's in heaven and all's right with the world. They'll show me God. You can't. It's in heaven. You have to go to heaven. So to go there. But if you say it's right here, right now, and indeed, it's me. It is I. There hangs a little story also. Silly joke, but I can't resist it. In the pearly gate, knock, knock. And St. Peter says, who's there? It is I. And St. Peter says, oh no, another English teacher. Not it's me, it is I. So if it is I, and here and now, you can ask. We can ask the Advaita teacher. You can ask Advaita Vedanta. We can ask Ashtavakra, show me. And Ashtavakra rises to the challenge. He says, I'll show you. Right here, right now. You can take it seriously, listen carefully. And even if we do not walk out of here enlightened, at least we'll get clarity about what Advaita Vedanta is saying. And that's a great thing to take away from the talk. It's an incredible thing to take away. One of the vows we take as monks when we become monks, one of the vows is Brihad Vadeva. From now on, let us talk of vast things. Let us talk of the infinite. Let us not talk about petty things. Let us not talk about the finite. Let us not talk about the worldly things. Let's talk about the spirit. Let's talk about ultimate things now.
Become Swami Vivekananda's messenger. Share the video with 3 of your friends.